Hi, this is Nicole, and I'm going to show you how to make a vodka martini a little dirty. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is chill the martini glass. So fill it up with ice, soda water, set it off to the side so the glass can chill. In your mixing glass, you are going to do vodka or gin, depending what your preference is. A lot of people don't realize that a traditional martini is actually made with gin, but today we're going to be doing a vodka martini. So we're going to do two or three parts vodka. It really depends on how big your martini glass is. Nowadays they're using pretty big martini glasses, so I'm going to go 3. And we're going to make it dirty. So again, this is a preference thing. If you like a really dirty martini, then you're going to add more olive juice. All dirty means is olive juice. A little dirty means a little bit of olive juice. So I'm going to put almost about 3/4, 1 cup in there. I mean 1 part. And I'm going to shake it really well. Empty out the glass. Now here you can just rinse the glass with dry vermouth if you don't want a really heavy vermouth in there. Some people like it, in which case I'd add it straight to the martini glass. So again, it's a preference thing. Some people don't use vermouth at all, so straight into the martini glass, garnish with olives, and there you go.